ELECLEAN WATER is an artificial intelligence electro-water in-situ system that transforms water into disinfectant. By using nanocatalysis, water molecules are restructured to transform water into reactive oxygen species. The world's top electrochemical technology integrated an AI intelligence system and self-cleaning function with non-chemical additions, operating with predictive maintenance function to extend the lifetime of water treatment components and units. ELECLEAN reactor module produces reactive oxygen species that effectively destroys viruses and bacteria by oxidation. Reactive oxygen species are injected into water treatment components, such as membranes, to decompose organic pollutants, achieving sterilization and anti-fouling in the water purification system. ELECLEAN water is safe, energy efficient, and convenient for daily water usage, medical, and semiconductor industry. ELECLEAN, new life, new appliance.